Okay, boys and girls, I'm hoping you already had a chance to read this story all by yourself. So now I'm going to read it with you. Let's start with the title. Up at the top here. Hog in a Hat. Hog can sit. He can sit in a big top hat. Dog can sit. She can sit in a big red hat. Cat can sit. He can sit in a big tan hat. Hen ran by. She ran away in a red hat. Fox can hop. He can hop in a big hat. Pig must nap now. She can nap in a red hat. Great job reading today, boys and girls. I have one last challenge for you. I want you to look back through the pages and see how many of our sight words you can find from this week. Good luck!